Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Exeter University staff account. Let's get started. So to log into your Exeter University staff account, what you have to do is just simply open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Exeter University staff login, or you can also search for Exeter University login. After searching for Exeter University login, you will come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this option which is Exeter current students. After tapping on that, now you just have to scroll down, and over here you can find login to Exeter option. So what you have to do is just tap on login to Exeter. So after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just tap on this second option which says staff. After tapping on staff, now what you can do is just simply enter your account's username and then enter your account's password. After entering your account's username and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Exeter University staff account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.